Hey guys, Jay here from AceVacuums again in Leesburg. We're going to do a quick video. We're going to do the Dyson DC65 Animal Complete versus the Riccar Retriever. We're going to do a quick video on how these two pick up pet hair and sand. These are the most difficult things for vacuums to pick up. So here we go. Okay guys, now time for the Retriever. Alright guys, so whether you're a Dyson fan or a Riccar fan, we've got your needs right here in Leesburg. You can come check us out on the web at www.acevacuums.com. You can check out more videos on the two, or you can give us a call, 571-209-5881. We'd love to see you in the store, guys. Have a great day.